For the mutton masala, we have 4 medium onions finely chopped. We have quarter coconut grated, 1-inch piece of ginger which is sliced, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 cloves, then we have 10 peppercorns, and then we have 1-inch piece of cinnamon. Okay, I made pieces of that, and we have 2 cardamoms. Alright, now we are going to fry the onions along with about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and we will have 2 teaspoons of dhania powder, which is coriander powder. That's half a kg of mutton. We take 2 potatoes which are cut into 8 parts each. This is optional. Heat a medium sized pan. The pan has become hot. Take 1 tablespoon oil and we will add all this onion, but we'll leave just a little bit for frying later on. Add the ginger pieces. Add garlic, cloves, peppercorns, cinnamon, that's dalchini, and the cardamoms. Roast this well. Now this is fried for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the grated coconut, and I'll continue to fry this for another 5 minutes on medium-low flame. Now you see the masala, it is nicely fried. So now I'm going to put off the flame. It has taken 5 minutes on medium-high flame. See that? This is how the texture should be. See the fried onions? Yeah. I put off the fire and now we allow it to cool. We are going to grind this now. Masala has become cold now. Here we have the ground masala. I will take the same pan in which we had roasted the masala and we add 4 tablespoons of oil. We add the remaining onion and we brown it. The onion has become golden brown, and now we add all this masala. Already getting lovely aroma. The masala is really very aromatic. Now what I normally do is I add a little water to the container with the ground masala, the mixie container, and I will add that also, so that all the masala is totally used up. Now we are going to fry it nicely till it leaves the sides. That will take another 5 minutes. You can even cover this with the lid. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. That helps in cooking the masala faster. So this is one of the tips for cooking the masala faster, and you will see that the color also will change of the masala. It's become slightly darker. So addition of salt, actually physics wise it increases the boiling point, and so more heat is absorbed before boiling or bubbling. That's how it cooks faster. You can see that the masala is now leaving the sides. I'll cook for another 2 minutes. Now you can see how the masala is leaving the sides. Look at that. So that at this point we have to add mutton. Roast this well. All the pieces of meat should be nicely coated with masala. See how all the pieces are getting coated with the masala. I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes. I've been roasting this for 5 minutes and I can get lovely browned meat. See, the meat is getting browned and it is giving a lovely fragrance. Now this is the time when I should be adding about 2 cups of water. Now at this point, you can add this entire thing in a pressure cooker. Cook till it is 3/4 done and then add potato. But I'm going to cook this on slow fire. I'm now going to test for salt. A little more salt. Just a little bit. Nice. Now on a slow fire, I will cover this and keep for about 20 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. The mutton is half or 3/4 cooked. At this point, we will put the potato. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes on slow fire. 15 minutes are done. Let us see if this is cooked. I want to check for potato needs to be cooked a little bit more. Let me check the meat. Another 5 minutes it will have to cook. Okay, so now it's been on slow fire for nearly 40 minutes. Let us see now whether this is cooked or no. Yes, now we will check. Meat, potato is cooked properly. Now let's check the meat. Yes, it is perfectly cooked. Now let me check for the salt. A little more salt because the potato uses too much salt. So I'll need another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I am going to use just a little bit of, just about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala to give that additional flavor. Nice. Now it is cooked just right. Now we'll switch off the flame. Garnishing time. I'm going to put some curry leaves and I'm going to garnish it with fresh coriander. That is hara dhania. That is looking just so nice.